Welcome back. Ex-PWD Minister Churchill Alemao has hit out at the Chief Minister, claiming that CM is afraid of him. Churchill says BJP will not win South Goa Lok Sabha seat by any means. Churchill Alemao has shown readiness to support Luizinho Faleiro if Congress gives ticket to him, and sarcastically in his own ways has explained why he offers the support.
Goinचं Chief Minister Parikar तो Churchill abida ani mana bina Churchill abito to below ha na te khabar ha South Asian seat teka kashe mena South Asian seat MP teka kashe mena itli try केला आणि नॉर्था पासून सीटा तका बिराली हा
कांग्रेस क्लेम
करता सोय आये पोयर मुगेले जेमी नाव घायना आये त्या संगला मुगेले नाव घायना दा कितें जाता मरे बिश्ती नाव दापा जाना नाव तरी होरे तो दिवपा तिकडे जावपाची बिचे नाव ते रावती 4-5 अननेसेसरी हां हांव तिकेट दिल्या मरे तिकेट ना जाल्यार आमी हांव नासता तिकेट
चेटूबाब सध्या लुइजिनो फालेरो किंवा सार्दिना दी तिकेट तू सपोर्ट करतलो तांकां
शी करपाचें न्हू काम मान कितें आमगेलें आमी काँग्रेसचे बट आपोवंक जाय मरे आता पाटील दिल म्हणून पाटील दिल म्हणून आहे पाटील दिल म्हणून पाटील दिल म्हणून जाता कुसलो आले कर बंद पाटील तो तेनी द्या
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Chloe Fernandez and Shubham Bhadoria dominated the state archery championships at Kampal. The two-day sub-junior, junior and senior competitions were organized by the Amateur Archery Association of Goa. Over 100 archers from all over the state took part in the championships.
Events were held in the sub-junior, junior and senior boys and girls categories. Shubham Bhadoria won the senior and juniors boys title, while Devi Prasad Kamath was the champion in the sub-juniors category. Chloe Fernandez topped the senior girls competition. Lakshmi Bagdi won the juniors title, while Monica Singh was the champion in the sub-junior competition. Billiards and Snooker Association President Sunil Moraskar was the chief guest and gave away the prizes along with other dignitaries. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Kampal.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.